Dear friends, our Honorable Prime Minister has unified the country in many ways. Through the GST, he created one nation, one tax, one market. He has led the digital connectivity revolution that has connected 1.4 billion Indians through his motto of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. He made development reach everyone. He has built the tallest statue in the world, the Statue of Unity, which is dedicated to the great Sardar Patel, who united India. Shri Narendra Modi ji, your efforts to bring India and Indians together motivate all of us at India Mobile Congress. We promise you, through the power of technology, we will build a digital statue of unity. Through the power of technology and connectivity, we will unite and inspire 1.4 billion Indians with the single dream of making our beloved motherland, Bharat, the most prosperous, the most technologically advanced, the most inclusive and the most harmonious nation in the world.